Welcome to Forgetmenot Pond. Check this place out. I have no words. I literally have no words when that is what you see when you go to shoot pictures. It really is incredible to think that this is an hour away from my house. I come out here a lot. It's nice to kind of refuel the soul, if you know what I mean. I mean, come on. Like, how can I not take a picture of that? Right? So I've gone around and I've walked Forgetmenot Pond. The problem I'm having is I can't find a foreground interest. I can't find a boulder or a tree that works for me. So what I decided to do is break the rules of composition and put the horizon dead center in my photograph. So I'm going to use the reflection from the top and the bottom to balance each other out to make people kind of go, what? Which is top, which is bottom? So we're going to see what that looks like right now. Check this out. So that's it right there. Horizon's dead center. Usually you want it in the bottom third or the top third. I'm not doing that. I'm cutting it down the middle, dead center. 2-second timer on the camera. Push the button. Take the shot. It's gonna be pretty killer. If you're not familiar with a polarizer, watch the bottom right here. What a polarizer does is it cuts down the glare. See how the water gets brighter right there? It gets brighter. That's the glare of the sun and the clouds. If I spin it, there, it gets a little darker. There's some rocks right there that I'm trying to get in the foreground. Sorry for the shaky camera. We'll see what we get. Let's push the button. Boom. Here's a shot.